Hello friends, welcome to Speak All Week. Today we'll learn most popular English phrases about evening. You will listen to my examples and then we'll practice speaking. You'll have a chance to tell about your evening using these phrases. There are many speaking and grammar exercises at our channel. Please subscribe and improve your English. The first phrase is be over. Be over. For example, my working day is over at 7 p.m. My working day is over at 7 p.m. The second phrase is leave the office. Leave the office means get out of the office. My example: I leave the office at 7:15. I leave the office at 7:15. The next phrase: on the way home. On the way home. I listen to music on my way home. I listen to music on my way home. I love this phrase. Head to the store. Head to the store means go to the store. My example: I head to the store after work. I head to the store after work. And I buy groceries. Buy groceries. I buy groceries for several days. I buy groceries for several days. Get home. Get home. I get home from work at 8 p.m. I get home from work at 8 p.m. Are you hungry after work? As a rule, I'm hungry after work. As a rule, I'm hungry after work. Be hungry. And there is one more good expression: be starving. Be starving means be very, very hungry. But sometimes I am starving after work. But sometimes I'm starving after work. Cook dinner. Cook dinner. I cook dinner for the evening. I cook dinner for the evening. And I like this phrase: chat about the day. Chat about the day. For example, I chat about the day with my family. I chat about the day with my family. Clear the table. Clear the table. My son clears the table. My son clears the table. A dishwasher. A dishwasher. I put dirty dishes into the dishwasher. I put dirty dishes into the dishwasher. The next phrase, tidy up. Tidy up. We tidy up the kitchen together. We tidy up the kitchen together. The next good phrase is to check social media. To check social media. Then I check social media. Then I check social media. Or watch Netflix. I often watch Netflix in the evening. I often watch Netflix in the evening. The next good phrase, charge a phone. Charge a phone. I charge a phone at the end of the day. I charge a phone at the end of the day. In the morning, I put on some makeup. In the morning, I put on some makeup. And I wash off my makeup in the evening. I wash off my makeup in the evening. The next phrase, set the alarm clock. Set the alarm clock. I set the alarm clock not to oversleep. I set the alarm clock not to oversleep. Go to bed. Go to bed. And fall asleep. Fall asleep. For example, I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. and fall asleep at 11 p.m. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. and fall asleep at 11 p.m. And now you have a chance to tell about your evening using these phrases. I leave the office at. I leave the office at 7 p.m. On my way home, On my way home, I listen to music. After work, After work, I head to the store. After work, I head to the store. As a rule, I'm after work. As a rule, I'm hungry after work. For the evening. I cook dinner for the evening. I cook dinner for the evening. Then I check social media. Then I check social media. Or then I wash off makeup. Then I wash off makeup. I go to bed at I go to bed at 10:30 and fall asleep at 11 p.m. I go to bed at 10:30 and fall asleep at 11 p.m. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support me with likes and write your feedback. I wish you good luck.